Welcome to a message from our friends in the mythical realm. I'm Sara Jane, and I have been a channel for them for a number of years now. This particular message is from Firebird. I have no idea what's coming, so I'm going to close my eyes and just relax and see what Firebird has to share with us. My suggestion is relax, close your eyes, and listen with your heart. As fire can destroy, so can it bring life. As water can destroy, so it brings life. Not everything that appears good is good. Not everything that appears bad is all bad. Everything has its purpose at the right time. You are here with a gift to share. Is that time right for you right now? Is something speaking to you so strongly that you cannot get it out of your mind? Feel it in your heart. Feel it in your gut. And if it is so persistent and it is a good, positive feeling, then maybe, just maybe, now is the time that you should be stepping into your gift, into your power, into the purpose of your life. It doesn't have to be something grand. It could be that you just go around with a smile on your face for everybody that you meet. And you will never know how much you can change somebody's day because of it. There is no such thing as small and large when it comes to your gifts. They are all in equal measure important and essential to share. Be true to you, to your heart. As you have been told on many occasions, your heart is your connection to your soul, and your soul guides through your heart, not through your mind and your ego. If you feel you are doing something to support your ego, then it is time to burn it, to let it go, to drown it, to stifle it. Connect your heart and your mind. Ask your mind to support your heart choices. Follow your heart, and you will live and honor the gifts and the purpose you are here to bring. Light, love, and peace, sweet souls. Namaste. You will find the written version of this message on their website, ourmagicalfriends.com. If you'd like to have copies of the most recent monthly message from the Mythical Friends and the previous month's message from the dragons, the Crystal's Dragons, feel free to sign up on the website for the monthly newsletter and you will receive them and that's the only newsletter I send out, unless I forget the attachments. But no, the newsletter is just about sending you these so that they're PDF, so that you can have them as copies for yourself. I hope you will join us again soon, and please enjoy the website and all there is on there. Namaste, sweet souls. Thank you.